Be ready for it. It is kind of a bit chilly out though. You do have a bit of icicles around here. The way I know this band's 2015 is that it tells it right there. Yep. And it looks like a 4.8 liter vortec V8, I guess.
You ready?
Yep, fire up. Well, that was a loud blow. Usually the idling sound is what I like. Yeah. We can let it warm up while you bring out your stuff from inside. And I do see the timing belts moving. Your timing belt's this thing right down there. And I do see the radiator fan is spinning as well.
Good.
Yeah. A lot of vortec V8s sound like this, especially the 6 liter. Oh my god, a big throw is exhaust. Whoa, it's kind of a bit icy here. Your headlight is still loose though. Hope you'll have that looked at soon. I might remove some of this icicles. I think I will have him remove some snow from one of his tires. Does sound like a good brand, the Chevrolet. There's some dirty snow on this tire right here that I want to know if I would like to have you remove. Yeah.
You're all good, Henry?
Yeah, I'm doing good with the video. There's some dirty snow right here that I want you to have him move out. Some dirty snow just right around here.
Yeah, that's nothing, Henry.
Yeah. The engine does sound good from the exhaust right here. If you can take a look over here. Sounds great from the exhaust. Yeah.
Here, I'm gonna head off.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh my god!